Okay, I guess this is recording. This is one of the first videos I've done with this camera here. Don't know how it's going to work, but I'm going to start the DLE 30 up today. Kind of a cool day, but we're going to run her. So here goes. Looks like it started pretty good. Looks like it stopped pretty good too. Gotta warm up a bit. Can't even hear it hardly run now. Warms them up quicker. Now we're going to do that strange tilt with Noticed as I tilted it that way, she quit instantly, and it's going to take a few. It's going to take a few flips to start her because she's flooded. See the smoke come out. Well, you can see that tilt to the right there really flooded it out quick. It does it like right now. I did take the tank off, raised it way up high, way low, had no effect. So something about tilting the whole engine does it, not the tank. Like I say, I can lift the tank way up high. No difference in it running way down low. As far as 10 inches above, 10 inches below, no change. As soon as you tilt that stand, well, I'll do it again, you'll see. Kind of quits kind of fast that way. So, well, I guess that's, we'll see if this first video even come out good. And looks like about 3.5 minutes, so that'll be good. We'll go for that.